I welcome you all to this felicitation function to the achievers of Abhi Nahi to Kabhi Nahi program. I kindly request GM Madam to present the flower bouquet to our CGM Ma'am.
Colorful, absolutely.
GM Ops, Mr. Kaushalendra Kumar, who has taken all the pains of ensuring that this campaign becomes successful. So I have great pleasure in requesting Mr. R. Bhaskar, CM and CLO of this branch, SAR Chennai, to welcome our DGM Ops, Mr. Kaushalendra Kumar, with the bouquet.
Chennai to welcome the President welcome address.
Respected CGM Madam, GM Madam, DGM Sirs, Food Sir, Retail South, Shafi Sir, DGM from Sarji, DGM Ops, Mr. Kaushalendra Kumar and Mr. Jha, DGM ARC, and all the other top dignitaries who have come for this felicitation function from Sarji, and my dear colleagues from branches, CLOs and CCOs, the awardees of this function. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. And you are all assembled here for the felicitation function of this campaign Abhi Nahi to Kabhi Nahi, which was launched in November, and only because of your industriousness, diligence and persistent efforts that you will be happy to know that Sarji, vis-a-vis a target of around 1,900 crores, Sarji could ultimately achieve recovery of 2,222 crores. And credit for this goes to the collaborative and concerted efforts put in by each one of you at the branches, CCOs, CLOs, everyone. And of course to the guidance and support given by our controllers at Sarji Corporate Center also. So therefore it is in the fitness of things that the hard work put in by all the CCOs and CLOs at the branches is recognized. So it is Madam's wish that all this hard work should be recognized, and that is why this felicitation function and distribute the awards. That clearly shows that this is being done only to motivate all the operating functionaries at the branches. So with this, I welcome you all for this felicitation function. Have a great day. Thank you.
Ms. Shaman Narayan to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you. In my Sambi Chennai, and this is the welcome that I get.
Good morning.
We'll try it one more time. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, that's much better. So, how are you feeling today? Now that you have been called here, I think probably for the first time in Sarji, I don't know whether when you were in NBG, this kind of activity happened or not, I really do have no idea. But as Sarjians, you must have come here for the first time, if I am not wrong.
Yes, yes.
So how do you feel?
We are recognized, ma'am.
Have you all taken your breakfast? A hungry person is an angry person. But a person who is well fed is full of energy, right? So I want you all to give a round of applause to each one of you for the wonderful performance. That's much better. Now I think the energy is also now with you. See, actually the target that you announced, whoever did that, I think Ramakrishna, it is not 1900. The original target was 1500 crores. Because we had never ever run a campaign of this mammoth proportion in Sarji, that I had kept a very soft target. And against that, when I saw the energy, next month itself we revised it to 1,900 crore. But that was looking to the energy, the success of the OTS that, the reaching out to the borrowers that happened by each one of you. So we raised it to 1,900 crores. And ultimately, how much did you all do? 2,222 crores. And it was 0.26. So I'm willing to let go of that 4 lakhs, and I always say 22,222 crores, 0.22. So that is an amazing number that all of you have got. And it was due to the hard work, the desire, together with the hard work, the desire also to excel must be in each one of us. No role is important. This campaign and this felicitation proves that no role is unimportant. Every role is important, and that is why bank has posted each one of us where we are posted. If supposing the CEOs did not matter, would the bank be wasting, I don't know, we have almost 500 odd CEOs, right? How many do we have? 500 combined with, SAMBIs and SAMs. So that is the kind of, energy that each one of you can generate, and which you have generated, and which has made all the difference. We may have given directions, but that is just about all that we did. We gave you directions. But ultimately you gave us the results. And therefore I was just sharing with your GM that I don't mind spending 1 crore or 2 on felicitation of people, because you have given me 2,222.22 crores. So what is 2 crores, spending 2 crores or 1 crore? How does it matter? And therefore this is going to be a way of life going forward. We are running another campaign. What campaign is that? Dhoom Machale. So in that campaign also we will have, I'm sure we will have greater success actually. And I also want to thank each one of you, because it was my birthday yesterday and the GMs have given a call. And when the GMs came to me, I said, I want 5,000 crore on my birthday. And on 28th itself, we got 5,008 crores or something like that. So almost from the day I said, 6-7 days, almost 300 crores was collected. That is not a mean achievement, not in SAF, where the residual age of the accounts, I don't know, would hardly be anything now, considering that they have been in our books for 7, 8, 9, 10 years. Today when we are doing the willful default examination, we are examining accounts of 2008, 2005. So imagine the life that they have already spent with us. So hardly any residual life is left in these accounts. And yet you have managed to give us 300 crores in 7 days, 7 working days of course, which meant 9 days. So thanks to each one of you. You really made my birthday wonderful. This was one gift that I was looking forward to. And this has also given me great hopes of a much larger, unimaginable success of our campaign Dhoom Machale. Right? So that is why I really, your GM, and by the way, your GM Mr. Gopal Prasad wanted to be here. I only sent him packing because GM1 is here. Somebody needs to be at corporate center. These are very critical times. We are now settling the budget and all that. And I'm sure, are you up for some ambitious budget for next year? Where you settle down each of your accounts. Get rid of all your accounts. The nitty-gritties of it, the details of it will be shared by your DGMs and your GMs. But ultimately for next year, we want all the legacy books, which is 84,000 crore with the retail, otherwise we have 2,25,000 crore, but 85,000 crore is with the retail. That is with the SAMBIs and the SAMs. We want to look at each and every one of those accounts. Either there is a plan for it or we reverse it. Only 2 things. We will no longer next year, this is what we should do. Look at each of our accounts critically. And laurels are bound to come. Are you happy in Sarji? That is the most important question. Are you happy in Sarji? I'm sure 8 months back you weren't happy. You weren't happy with being where you are. You weren't happy with me either, because I was really demanding a lot of work from all of you. But today I get a feeling that all of you are happy to be in Sarji. You are doing this joyfully. There is no strain, no stress. Is there any stress? When we ask you all to do an extra 10 crores or an extra 5 crores, is there any stress that you feel, oh God, again? Is there that kind of a feeling? Or we come up with yet another campaign and there is this, tiredness. Is it so? Are you happy in Sarji?
Yes.
Great. Because see, you must only perform with a lot of joy and energy. That is another of my demands. While you perform, of course, I want you all to perform, but do it joyfully. And for the sake, for the reward of feeling that joy, that pride that you have done it. Not for any other thing, that if I perform, I'll get promoted, if I perform, I'll get a better posting. Nothing like that. Do it with the joy, for the joy of, achieving that. The pride of having achieved what you have set out to achieve. So do that. Be happy, be healthy, and leave office for heaven's sake definitely by 6:30. There is not enough sleep. When I came here, I used to sit here till 7:38, 8:39. But today I can afford to go home at 5:30. Because everything has been set in a process. No longer do I have to keep talking about a nation is not happening. Everything is now happened, and whatever is left also is now in process. So what I am trying to tell you is, have a strategy for your day. This is what I will do. This is how I am going to proceed and deliver. Once you have that in mind, your time management will be wonderful, and you can leave home by 6:37 and spend time with your family also. Normally when we were scale 3s and 4s, the seniors, because those were the times when you left early, you were called a shirker. Now of course you are called efficient. Those times when you stayed till 10 o'clock in the night, you were supposed to be very efficient, very hard working, because see, he works till 10 o'clock while you guys leave at 7. So when we interacted with those seniors of ours, they would say, we have seen our children grow this way. We have never seen him grow this way. Because when we come home, they are always asleep. When we get up in the morning, they have left for school, because school these days are from 7 o'clock. I don't want you all to do that. Of course, I am sure your children are now way past that and they are all grown up. But watch your grandchild at least grow this ways. I don't want you all to watch them this ways. Okay? So all the best to all of you. The best of health, the best of happiness, and a lot of joy in whatever you are feeling. That is my only request. Be happy, be joyful, and performance will happen. Have that belief in you, that performance will happen if your performance will happen if you work not for the result, but for the joy of reaching that result, and everything will fall in line. So all the best to all of you, and have a great day at Taj.
kindly take your seats. I now request Shri Mohammad Shafiullah Khan.
Good morning. From June to December, 6 months period. Really, I enjoyed your stay with all people. Most of the time, I used to talk to you directly. Quite often, disturb you in odd hours also, in holidays and something. No, very odd hours. So that's how I was able to know all of you people personally. And many of them we used to talk, quite personal things also, not only the business part actually. Friends, really is a great occasion today that we are assembling here. You know, the mood we were there in June month when we were there in the dire of the COVID times actually. At that point of time, just 4 or 5 minutes we'll have a brief for this thing. Nobody used to talk about SARBs actually. Most of the concentration of CGM, GM and everybody was only on SAM branches actually. SAR branches were not there in the scene, never in the picture actually. Except once in a while, 15 days, some review, something used to happen actually. From that time, now if you talk back at the corporate center when some performance is happening, SARBs have taken much ahead of the SAM branches. When MD sir, DMD sir or CGM madam talk about some performance, something like that actually. First they are telling nowadays SAM branches, SAR branches have done wonderfully in 6 months. Why you people are lagging behind? That was June month, that was the reverse actually. They used to quote SAM branches are doing like this. What is the SAR branches are nowhere in the scene actually. So that's how things used to be there. From there onwards, see, miraculously for a period of 6 months actually. And only thing is that's only you have done it actually. Earlier 6 months before, I can feel the confidence level. When somebody used to say, I am CCO, I am CLO or SAR. So low down people used to tell, no confidence was there in telling the position also very well. Now people when they are talking to the NBG officials, who are doing the migrations, etc., submitting, etc., I see the amount of confidence people are telling, I am CLO at SAR, I am CCO at SAR. The amount of confidence. And earlier, 6 months before, I think out of 100 people, only 10 or 15 people had some success story to tell. COs, CCOs of SARBs saying that I have done this, only 10 to 15 more. Now I can always say that this is spread to everybody. More than 90 to 95% people now have achieved something. They have some credible feeling that yeah, I have contributed this much, I have brought this much of recovery, I have helped this much actually. And they are putting into the places so many things actually. So that's really wonderful that building up a confidence for self is more important. That we have done by through hard work of 6 months. That's really great job. I congratulate you all you people, sir, in all this actually. I know initial 3 to 4 months, June to say September, that was a very difficult period. Because that time you used to attend the whole, all these hygiene areas used to be attended actually. Every day you used to complete one task after the second day. After 3-4 months when you are September end, you are able to complete these tasks, majority actually. Then really that's the stage you are able to take forward your own steps actually. During that time I think CGM, GM, somebody used to do the push, used to tell do this actually. Some pressure was built up June, July month period. But subsequently when you September started, when you are able to complete the hygiene areas, that's the stage where we can feel that nobody was telling you people to do like that. Something was being discussed in some peer reviews. After that, things were used to roll around actually. So, my best compliments to all you people. Only thing is, whatever confidence you have developed actually, that should be realized into bigger potential. I always feel that most of you people should take progression in the life. Not only personal life, you should also professional also. People should go ahead in taking the higher position. The whatever abilities you have built up in the last 6 months actually, that should not be left around there. It should be taken forward. Even someday you may be here, someday now we will be going to the SAM branches, or some people will be going to NPG branches also now, some repatriation, etc. Wherever you go, you should make your mark actually. System procedure, following it actually, what is the back-end mechanisms actually. Sometimes we used to put out one time OTS proposals, we used to have discussion with the CAO, CCO directly. The particular thing was not put up properly. No, really, very next day people used to come back with the revised pages actually, amending everything, making changing. And best of thing is, used to know what is the rationale between writing something about investigation agency, like detective agency, taking the notarized assets and liabilities. And we are writing in the paper, it's more important. Casually writing that the property is not saleable, not saleable. People used to understand that no, we should not write like that. We should quote some reason in there. Tomorrow we should not be put to some questioning actually. That response from you people was very fast. And otherwise, I don't think you will be able to do so many compromise proposals you were able to do actually. Really, you have done a remarkable thing. I should congratulate each one of you. I really thank you the time I spent you from June to December. Really, it was a very important aspect of my life. I used to really enjoy individual one-to-one basis. Individually, I thank you each of you, sir. Thank you. I really pray for you that we should go ahead in life and do much bigger wonders also, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I now request our DGM, Shri Rakesh Ghosh, to address the gathering.
In fact, after address of CGM ma'am, any words has no meaning. And I am very happy that now I am with South team also. Previously I was with North team only, but when there was any discussion about the recovery, I was having some envy that South is doing so wonderful. Why my North team is not doing so good? Always I am thinking that what to do, but now I am happy that I am also with the South team. So I think you must be having some plan to roam around in Chennai. So I will not take your much time. Many things have been discussed by Shafi sir. The only few things are, I think we are very, very close to achieve our annual budget. So I am planning that it should be achieved by first week of March. Ready? Yes. By first week of March, we will achieve our budget. Yes. This is our plan, number one. Number two, when I look at Rafia position, in North, out of 25 branches, only one is B rated. All others are AA. Here when I see, most of the branches are AA, but very few, they are in B rated. So I am planning that same thing should be in South also. For that I have planned something and I have given my message to all branch heads that with Dhoom Machale campaign, will target 4 or 5 things simultaneously, like foremost is smooth migration of accounts from NBG, because only 1 month is there. After 15th March, will not accept any migration. So till 15th March, will not give any room for any complaint. So number one is smooth migration. Number two, quarterly review, because it gives impact on Rafia. Quarterly review we have to complete by this month end. Then transfer of NPA account to OCA which are having 100% provision. Because generally the accounts which are in OCA, they are not covered under Rafia. They are out of purview. And next is OCA reversal. the accounts which are not having any security and 2 years have been passed, will examine for occur reversal, so that we could concentrate on the accounts where some security is there. Then expenses register, because whenever any compromise proposal is being put up, then what is the expenses have been incurred, sometimes it is correct, sometimes it's not. If this register is completed, this will give full picture. Expense register and foremostly radar. Though it is not applicable in SARG, but the area which are covered under radar, that gives impact on our RAFIA. So these are important things which we can examine simultaneously. So that will give boost in RAFIA. Right? So let us start our felicitation program.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
The executive place. Third one, recovery of 10 crore plus up to 15 crore, felicit at local destination. Fourth, recovery of 5 crore and to 10 crore, memento and certificate. Here, CLO and CCO are here, then announce their list. CLO, first of recovery of 8 crore. 8 crore plus felicit at exotic place with spouse. We request all the CLOs to going to the first group. Can you hear? Second one.
In fact, originally they were only #1 campaign. But after listening you all in VC, ma'am has suggested, no, there should be chance for each and every branch. So after that, this program, this has been amended. I think you must have seen previous. What was that?
Recovery of second position, felicit to exotic place. Third one, recovery of 3 crore plus up to 5 crore, felicit at local center. Similar CCO, recovery of 5 crore plus, felicit at local destination with spouse. Recovery of 3 crore up to 5 crore, felicit at local destination. Third one, recovery of 1 crore to 3 crore, memento and certificate. In FTP side 10.9.28.66 in other folio, Chennai Express, Chennai Special. Folder name, Chennai Special. Dhoom Machali video is also pasted in this folder.
Just a minute. Please. See, this #1, pressure from both sides. Not only from office, from your house also. So,
Althara from SR Ernakulam under MD Club.
के बिलोंग करते हैं, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं। नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम 2 नंबर चाले। इस कैंपेन को अभी नहीं तो इन्होंने भी उसमें योगदान दिया, फर्स्ट इन्होंने टाइप किया नाम के लिए, अभी नहीं तो फाइनली सिलेक्टेड, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं। अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं कैंपेन मुझसे नहीं होगा। स्वागत करते रहिए, उत्साह बढ़ता रहेगा तालियों के साथ क्लैपिंग से।
Jagdamba Gurusundar.
మీకు చల్లైపోతుందండి.
Surya. sir is not available today. Mr. Narayana Kumar Vadi from Shah. Mr. Govindappa from Staff to Bangalore on the teaching club. Mr. Mahesh Krishnamurthy from staff.
మీరున్నారు ఉన్నారు బంగారు అన్నారు
Sir, I have to
Mr. Gani Srinivas Rao. Ms. Rajeshwari Gola.
आप బంగారు
Mr. John Sebastian from Chandni. Ms. Geeta Jacob from AR. Mr. Raghavendra Mr. Prem Kumar. Ms. Gauramma Devi, South Bangalore and the Legion Club. Kalamati Nageshwari. Mr. Sunil N from South Trivandrum and the Legion. Ms. Sita Lakshmi from AR and Ernakulam and the Legion Club. Mr. R. Srinivas from AR and Chennai and the Legion Club. Mr. Gandhar Naidu, Pinnithi.
anyone want to tell the suggestion and ideas about the events?
So what do you mean by the exotic?
Some nice place, that will be advanced later on.
So within country or outside country?
Home also. About this campaign, previous campaign, and about this campaign, if, or any other thing, if someone wants to convey something, he is most welcome.
Sar Chennai to present the vote of thanks.
Sapila sir, Rakesh Posji,
Congratulations to all the awardees who are assembled here and those who are not present and awards are being collected. Ensure that it's being handed over to the same person. Congratulations once again. I would like to thank Sarji officials for having concern to organize a function at Chennai. Vanakkam Chennai! That's Chennai. It's a wonderful crowd here, colorful. I would like to thank DGM sir, CGM madam, GM madam. And the function was organized in such a beautiful manner. I would like to thank my own team who had organized for all these things. And I would thank my AGM for giving so much of room to organize things. Special thanks to our Ashwini ji and Narendra ji. Thanks for the hotel organization who had provided the space and followed by the lunch. You'll have a good lunch here. Taj, it's one of the oldest hotel in Chennai. Hope your stay will be comfortable and you can enjoy your after lunch session roaming around at Chennai. Be safe, wear mask, preferably wash your hands wherever you take something, guard yourself. And I thank everyone for a nice evening, nice afternoon rather, and enjoy your evening here, pleasant at Chennai. Thank you all. Thank God, and thank you everyone. Good day.
And you force us to come to Chennai to have felicitation program, and we expect that such program will again be happen in the month of April and so on. Thanks to all achievers. Well done. Good.
You have been behaved for all this time. Who is that? But GM sir. Generally GMs at the level, no? What will happen? The interaction up to GM only. But he is very different person. He has connection with all the CEOs, CM very often. We thank him for all the support he has given to all of us. Thank you. Thanks.
Namaskar sir, thank you. All my special thanks to you. Thank you. One group photo for branch wise.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please first pick Madurai. Okay, Madurai.